An investigative report by the Al Jazeera has cast serious doubts on the Indian authorities' narrative surrounding a wave of the mysterious deaths and disappearances in occupied Kashmir, particularly involving members of the Gujjar tribal community. Al Jazeera has mentioned the deaths of two brothers, Riaz and Shaukat Ahmed from the Kulgam district, as a new pattern behind the reported deaths by drowning or by suicide. All-party Hurriyat Conference has denounced the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to occupied Kashmir as a desperate cover-up to deflect the international scrutiny from India's grave human rights abuses in the territory. APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Amit Shah's Kashmir tour is a staged drama to project a false sense of normalcy in the territory under illegal occupation of India. Members of the coalition government in occupied Kashmir Assembly held protests outside the House over the Waqf Amendment Act after the Speaker adjourned the House following a ruckus over the demand to discuss the new law. The MLAs of the National Conference, Congress, CPIM and some independents staged a sit-in at the entry gate of the Assembly and protested against the BJP-led government in New Delhi. Contractual teachers working in occupied Kashmir Higher Education Department staged a protest at the Government Degree College Handwara, demanding an end to the disparity in salary and the job stability. Scores of these teachers assembled at the college premises, holding placards and voicing concerns over the short-term employment contracts and the inadequate remuneration.